Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money using PayPal from one US account, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer money using PayPal from one US account, first, open the PayPal website or launch the mobile app. Log into your PayPal account with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, look for the Send and Request option on the main dashboard. Click on the Send Money button to start the transfer process. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number in the designated field. Next, input the amount of money you wish to send. Select the currency if needed, usually it will be USD. You will find an optional message box where you can add a note for the recipient. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, click on the Continue button. On the next screen, choose your funding source, which can be your PayPal balance, a bank account, or a credit/debit card. If this is your first time using a particular funding source, you may need to link it to your PayPal account. Confirm the payment details once more before finalizing the transaction. Click the Send Payment Now button to complete the transfer. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the payment has been sent successfully. The recipient will receive a notification about the incoming transfer. For your records, check your transaction history to verify that the transfer was completed. That's it. You've successfully transferred money using PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.